Yeah, now we can go over by the where the hose is and wash the thing off. So I've got to take the head off and pull the sock out. So to do that, I just twist, pull, and then so you can see a lot of stuff in there. A lot of stuff. We want to get all that out. We don't want nothing falling down in there. Then we'll let that, turn this upside down, let it drain out, right? Set it over here. All right, so now we've got to clean this out. So what I usually do is just push it all out. Okay, so we've just got to turn it inside out, push it, and just get all the junk off of it. Now that's done. Now we got to go squirt it off. And I can squeeze it, you know. All right, let's go hard style. You're going to get a little wet. And then we just bring her back through like this. Smush it through. And you can see there's still stuff in there, so we got to get that out. So I use the high pressure. That usually works pretty good. Squeezer. Now we just let this dry separately outside of the vacuum. And now we just got to, oh look, I still got stuff in there. So let's get it all, right? We don't want anything left. Put my hand through. There we go. Okay, I think we're good. Push her through. Give it some squeezes. Get most of the water off. And that'll work. And now it's ready to be dried and then put back in the vacuum next time. All right, sometimes the head gets kind of dirty, so you want to clear that out. So I'm going to go to just shower, just to get that out of there. And then on the bottom here, just in case. And now we should be good, right? That looks good. Now we can go ahead, take this in, let it all dry off for the next time. So I'm just going to slide this on here and let it dry. And then next time we'll be ready to go. Air dry, but we might want to charge it. So we're going to bring it over here. I'm going to set it upside down here. Then I've got to unplug this. And then we're just going to plug it in and charge it up. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll plug it in. And then we've got to get, now check it out. So this one has like the round end to the right when you're facing the handle. So you just push that in there like that. And then bam, you can see the little red light. We just leave it here until it gets ready, and then we can do it again. Have it fully charged. Yep, that's what we want.